So, just to follow up on last night's knuckle-buster, replacing the driver's side door hinge on this Honda Odyssey. Huh. I assumed my German genetics kicked in, and I assumed that they were like mirror images of each other. They aren't. They're quite different. And then, so I flipped back and forth about twice, 2-3 times, and finally got it, and then realized that the power to order cable is stretched, so that fell off the hinge, and there's a motor right about here, and it looks kind of like a line trimmer reel. There's a barrel connector here and then a barrel connector here, and it spins and takes the hinge back and forth as it rotates. I'm waiting for shirt sleeve weather. I pulled the fuse and just disabled it, put it in manual mode. And I forgot to line item. Replace mechanic's old man body. But you know what? Tom's concrete mixer makes it a little better. Butterfinger, baby. Shout out from Wisconsin. Yep, one more weekend of winter. And one more item too. The driver's side signal marker bulb burnt out too, because I don't think I did enough work. I went to bed at like 8, so I need a little more work in. So Murphy's Law. Have a good one. One last trip to O'Reilly's.